Can the pound yen keep this rally going and test a level that goes back to 2015? I'll have all the details in today's video, including key levels to watch and targets for 2024. And if you've been waiting to join our VIP group, I have an incredible offer for you this month that you're not going to want to miss. So click on the link at the top of this video, and you're going to be taken to my recommended broker, Blueberry Markets. Right now, we're running a promotion, guys, through March 12th. And the really cool part about this is this section right here. So you're going to get lifetime access to our VIP group if you deposit $200 or more with Blueberry Markets using my link. So that means you're going to get lifetime access to real-time market discussions in Discord. You're going to get exclusive charts and setups, daily videos. You'll be able to see my trades in real time. Plus, you're going to get lifetime access to the upcoming course. All for depositing just $200 or more with my broker. And also, you'll be entered to win a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone if you trade at least one lot before March 12th. All right, so again, this is a limited time offer, guys. So be sure to see the link in the description of this video, or if you're on the website, click on the broker link here at the top of the page, and you'll be taken directly to the Blueberry Markets page to sign up. So that's all you have to do, guys, for lifetime access to the VIP group. You don't have to pay me a dime. All you have to do is come over here, open up an account, fund it with $200 or more, place a single trade by March 12th, and you will have lifetime access to the VIP group, plus a chance to win that drone. So the very first thing I want to take a look at here with the pound yen, this is GBPJPY weekly time frame, is going back here to 2020. This was obviously the COVID crash back here. And ever since this time, ever since this pullback here, the market has been making higher highs and higher lows within this massive ascending channel. Now, you can see where recently the market did come into this level. And even though it looked like we could get a larger pullback down here toward this high, the market stopped short of that level. And that's a sign of strength. And so far, we are seeing follow through from the pound yen. So this really kind of frames the market for us and tells us that right now, guys, in my opinion, shorts are not favored here as long as the market is carving these higher highs and higher lows, and is also trading below 195 to 196. And the reason that area is going to be significant is if we zoom out here, you can see that this back here was the 2015 high for the pound yen, which has not been tested yet. Okay, so with the market trading right through here, okay, very close to this 2015 level, I do think that the odds of a retest up here over the coming weeks are likely, given the fact that areas like this tend to serve as magnets for price. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame, all right, so moving in here, this is more of, what could happen here over the next week or two. We have the market holding above this trend line from the opening price of 2024. Okay, so from the 2024 open right down here, we've got the market holding above this level. You can see several retests through here. So as long as it's above this level, I don't see any point in looking for shorts here from the pound yen. And even if it were to break below this, it would really have to start taking out highs like this one back here, and especially this key level right back here around 188.3 or so. Okay, so this one back here, as long as it's above this, then the market is constructive, because even if you get a breakdown of this trend line, the market could just come down here, test this level, and then continue higher. Okay, so several reasons right now point to higher for the pound yen, including this trend line here. Again, we've got that macro level, that macro resistance up there between 195 and 196. And like I said, given the fact that the market is trading just below that mark, I do think that a retest there over the coming weeks is likely. Now, do you want to be buying up here though? That's the question, right? Is now the time to buy? And I don't think that it is, because right now we have the market trading away from this trend line. So if you were able to get in through here, or even on this retest, through this area, then this was an ideal buying opportunity. Right now, with the market trading off of this trend line and also below this key level right here at 191.75, which we'll take a look at in a moment, with the market trading right between those two levels, I really don't see a lot to do here. So the reason that 191.75 is significant is if we go all the way back here to the price action following that 2015 top. Okay, and we have to go back here because there's really nothing in this area over the past few years for us to work with. So looking at the weekly chart, you can see that this area through here was support for the market through this region following that macro top. Okay, so this is the level that broke down back here in 2015 that started that multi-year downtrend. So with that in mind, right, markets never forget key levels like this. So if you look here at the daily, with the market coming right into this level and not far away from it now, I would expect some selling pressure from this area. All right, so from the buy side here, two things I'll be looking for from the pound yen. We either get a sustained break above this area here over the coming days. So a sustained break above this consolidation, I would be looking to buy through here for that move up there toward 195, 196. Or we get a pullback here, break this trend line, come back down here, test this area through here, and then continue higher. So this region down here could also be of interest if we do see the pound yen break below this trend line. Now, the only thing that is going to turn this market bearish, and even then I think you have to be careful because of the bullish momentum that we've seen here, would be not only a close below this trend line here, but also a sustained break back below 188.3. So if we were to see that here over the coming weeks, something like that trading back down here, then that would be bearish, as it would indicate that this up here was a fake out. But as of right now, like I said, as long as the market's making higher highs and higher lows, especially as long as it's trading above this trend line here, I do favor a move up here toward 191.75, at which time I think you have to be a little bit careful given that level from 2015, 2016. But ultimately, if the market can hold above areas like this back here over the coming days and weeks, I do like the idea of a move back here toward 195 to 196 to retest that 2015 high. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Don't forget to, guys, claim your 70% off VIP access. See the link in the description of this video. You can also join Blueberry Markets and deposit $200 or more, but you have to do it before March 12th. Trade well out there, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.